When the quiet girl opens at BTU.
He leads me beside the still water. He restores my soul. He leads me in the righteous for his name's sake. Ye I walk through a valley shelter of death. I will
What book of the Bible is she in?
I will fear with no evil. For they are with me. They rod and they staff, they comfort me. They comfort me. Amen. They prepare a table before me in the place of my enemies. Amen. In the place of my enemies. They anointed my head with oil, my cups running over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the